Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most beautiful and fragrant plants in the world, lavender. Specifically, we're going to learn about how lavender is harvested and processed. Before we get started with the harvesting process, let's first talk about what lavender is. Lavender is a perennial plant that is native to the Mediterranean region. It's known for its beautiful purple flowers and fragrant aroma, which makes it a popular choice for various uses, including aromatherapy, perfumes, and even cooking. Now that we know what lavender is, let's talk about when it's the best time to harvest it. Lavender should be harvested when about half of the flowers on the stem have opened up. This usually happens in the late spring or early summer, depending on the climate. But there are also other factors that can influence the harvest time of lavender. These include the variety of lavender being grown, the weather conditions, and the intended use of the lavender. If you're harvesting lavender for its essential oil, you may want to wait until the flowers are fully open to get the most oil yield. When it comes to lavender harvesting, timing is everything. By paying attention to the bloom stage and other factors that influence the harvest time, you can ensure that you get the most out of your lavender crop. There are two main methods of lavender harvesting, manual and mechanical. First, let's learn the manual harvesting process. Manual lavender harvesting involves using a sharp pair of pruning shears or a sickle to cut the lavender stems. It's important to use a tool that can make a clean cut without damaging the plant. When cutting the lavender stems, it's best to cut them at a diagonal angle, leaving about 3 to 4 inches of stem. This helps to prevent damage to the plant and promotes better regrowth. One of the biggest advantages of manual lavender harvesting is that it allows for more precise and selective harvesting. This means that you can choose the flowers that are the most mature and fragrant, resulting in better quality lavender. Mechanical lavender harvesting involves using a specialized machine to cut and collect the lavender flowers. The machine works by driving over the lavender plants, which are then trimmed by a rotating blade and collected in a hopper. One of the main advantages of mechanical lavender harvesting is that it's much faster and more efficient than manual harvesting. With a mechanical harvester, you can harvest a large field of lavender in a matter of hours, compared to several days for manual harvesting. If you do choose to use a mechanical harvester, it's important to choose a machine that is specifically designed for lavender harvesting and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for use. Once the flowers have been harvested, they're loaded into the still. The still is a large, stainless steel vessel that's used to heat and extract the essential oil from the flowers. The still is heated with a direct flame or an electric heat source, which causes the water in the still to boil. The steam rises and passes through the lavender flowers, picking up the essential oil as it goes. The condensed liquid is collected in a container, and the lavender essential oil is separated from the water by a process called decanting. This separates the essential oil, which floats on top of the water, from the water and other impurities. The resulting product is a high-quality lavender essential oil that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as aromatherapy, massage, and even in cooking. That's our today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more of our content on this channel. We have plenty of videos about gardening, farming, and nature that we think you'll love. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the wonderful world of lavender. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.